everyone, and welcome to the channel. Some people asked me how do you do with the flatbed on the truck when you swap it over to the fifth wheel. Tomorrow I have a job with a trailer, fifth wheel trailer, so we'll take a look at this today. So the bed is fastened with 4 of these bolts. 2 of these quick locks, I don't know if you can see them in there, and 2 of these, I don't actually know what they're called, tipper locks maybe. It's used on dump trucks for tippers, yeah. So and also electrics for lights and hydraulics, a multi-faster hydraulic coupling for these hydraulic boat supports, and the extendable beam right back here. So yeah, let's see if we can get this thing unbolted. That's it. Now we take this tool to unscrew these. In Sweden we call them laxofästen, laxo fasteners. I don't know if they have an English word. It's basically a bolt or screw with a conical cone tip that presses. Yeah, you'll see. Also, the fifth wheel gets fastened with this same system. So that's that, and now there's just these 2. That one and that one, and now the bed is loose, so let's take it off. Well, let's get rid of the fly jib first, I don't need it tomorrow. It's a really easy system. Kudos to effort. There you go. Bed is hopefully loose. Let's try and lift it off. Yeah. And here you can clearly see these Laxo fasteners. Yeah, they're stuck now. Well, they're just normal screws with the pointy ends that secures whatever you're screwing them into. There we have it. Let's get it on. Smooth. Now we tighten these up. And let's not forget cables and hoses, like so. Yeah, that's secure now. Only one thing left to do before we can hook up a trailer. Put the ladder down, move that, do a 180 with this. Like so. Now we have electrics for lights and ABS and air brakes to the trailer up here. So there, that's basically it. It's a 15-20 minute job if you're alone, 10 minutes if you're 2 or more people. It's really quick and easy. So that's how it's done. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask them. I will try to answer as best as I can. That was it for today, and I'll see you in the next one.